So we have our Honda Odyssey here. This is actually a fairly new car, looks like it. We're going to open the door and show you how the lift works, how hard it is to work this lift. So if you have your wheelchair will be inside of here. Even if your arms are all the way up to here on your wheelchair, it doesn't matter because the window goes around this way. You have a big window. So even if your arms are here, the window is going to be at least this far away from it, 4 or 5 inches. So you grab your remote right here. Now, if it doesn't come out, just hit the power button right here, then hit the down button. And when you hit the down button, the platform will come out. And you remember earlier we talked about you want it to be about 3-4 inches away from the bumper. So this is about 3-4 inches away from the bumper right here. That's perfect. You don't want to be here and then it drops down. You want as close as you can. So I'm going to go all the way down with the platform. And then you would put your chair on it. As a matter of fact, I'm going to go get a chair so you guys can see this. Folks, we have here a Jazzy Air 2 that weighs about 260 pounds. So I'm going to bring the chair on the lift. And you should always bring it from this side because you want the joystick away. You want the joystick on that side so it's easier for you to take it off. So when you take it off, you can go forward or backward. Now, before, of course, you want to make sure whatever chair you put on your lift, that the seat can fold down like this because you only have so much room to get in. So the seat folds down good. There's 4 straps here. So you can put these straps around the arms. You can find a place to hook them up. You have 4 straps. When you raise the chair up, it's always recommended you run your engine in your car because your alternator will be running, sending power to your battery. If you have a weak battery and you don't run your car, the lift might labor. But if you run your car when you're lifting up, it's going to help, okay? Not when you're going down, but when you're raising up. So you would grab your remote and you hit the power, and then you would start raising the chair up. And when it gets to all the way up, the lift will start going in. Pretty simple stuff, isn't it? And the lift will stop when it gets all the way in. And it stopped right there. And you can put your remote here if you want. And remember I mentioned about the arm right here? The window will be 4 or 5 inches away from that. So when you're ready to go, and we're about 4 inches away from the remote, that's how easy it is to operate the AL6000 lift in your vehicle. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.